So this screen door has little to no spring back to it. And while it is catching a little bit on the bottom, I will trim off. When I first installed this door, it had no problem with catching on the bottom. It would still spring close. So we are going to fix that today. So we're first going to remove this spring. Then I took the door down and removed the spring hinges and replaced them with these hinges. There's an edge right here that I used to line up on the door. I used the old holes as a reference to pre-drill the new holes. One of the old hinges was still in good shape, so I used that as the middle hinge. It'd be really helpful if I had extra hands, but since I don't, I'm going to use shims to hold my door in place. I call that a success. For more tips and tricks, make sure to like and subscribe.